the 9th round, we go under the arch with the slip stitch and we make a raising loop somewhere here, and into each arch we fulfill 2 single crochet. Please pay attention, we skip the double crochet and we fulfill 2 single crochet into the arch. We skip the double crochet each time. So this way we continue the whole round, where in the end we are making the slip stitch in the first single crochet. So let me show you. We dive under the arch with the slip stitch and we make the raising loop. 2 single crochet into each arch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This way we continue till the end and we make the connection, the slip stitch in the first single crochet.